to ask for your name. Once you put a name,
we'll set it for 9:13 Zoom subpoena / calendar call. Okay.
I think they assume that's your name,
Well, that's fine.
so they don't ask your name.
Next is hold on, Miss Monroe.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Monroe. The next court date will be September 13th. Your attorney has asked for a defense continuance, and the state is going to subpoena the victim. Okay.
Okay, it's going to be on Zoom, or I have to be there?
It's via Zoom, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Stay in touch with Ms. Storno, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
The next case I can address is Tony Law on page 18.
I might have came up.
Is in custody and not present today.
Oh my God!
I do have contact with him as well. I also requested a defense continuance on this case to the 13th date if the court is inclined.
This is scary.
Okay, so
Fuck it, let me came up.
Calendar call and soon
Don't came up on him.
9:13.
Like I said, just be serious.
Anything else on this case?
Nothing from the bench on this case.
Okay, state.
Nothing.
Okay, Ms. Storno, any other cases?
Not unfortunate this morning. Thank you.
Okay, so we took care of the in custody. I'm going to go on Zoom and see who is on Zoom. I see Mr. Dutko.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. How are you? Are you driving, Mr. Dutko? Or are you
I am. I'm headed to a medical appointment. That's why I'm not in court.
No, that's fine. I don't mind that you're not in court. I just want to make sure that you're. Do you want me to? Go ahead. Who are you here on behalf of?
Dean Barry. I don't know what page it is. He's present on Zoom.
Dean Perry?
Barry. With the big D.
Okay. Page 10. Mr. Barry, are you on Zoom, sir?
Yes, I am, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Barry.
Judge, we're prepared to waive speeding, requesting a defense continuance, and then I have a question for you concerning your procedure.
Yes, sir. Okay, so state, yes, you can approach. He's asking for a defense continuance, and then he has a question regarding procedure.
No objection to the continuance.
Okay, is the state going to be asking for a Zoom subpoena on this case?
I have contact with the victim. She's cooperative. I can put the offer on the record.
Okay. Well, I don't know. Maybe you want to email it to Mr. Dutko, or just put it on the record so Mr. Barry can hear it. But what is your question, Mr. Dutko?
With respect to a request for deposition, will you consider an Ori Tennis request, or must we file a written motion?
No, I'll consider an Ori Tennis request. Who do you want to depose?
I don't have the names in front of me, but the wife and the child, two children are witnesses, allegedly.
Okay, so it would be the wife, would be the victim?
I have no objection to the alleged victim for the children. I think she needs to file a written motion, and we can set it for a hearing.
How old are the children?
Young teens, I believe.
Okay, I'll grant your Oris Tennis motion in connection with the wife. Why don't you speak to Ms. Blackman in connection with the children, and if you guys can agree, I'll sign an agreed order. If we have to have a hearing, then we'll have a hearing. Fair enough?
Very well. That's
okay.
Fair enough.
Do you need the officer as well, or no?
Probably, yes. We just got our discovery 2 days ago, so it's kind of fresh. But
okay, so Oris Tennis motion to depose the wife, the alleged victim, and the arresting officer is granted. I'm going to defer us to the children, okay, and give you all an opportunity to speak. Maybe we can address that after you take the victim's deposition and the officers to see if you really need to depose the children.
Yes, ma'am, that's very fair.
Okay, so defense continuance granted. How much time do you need to set the depos?
Judge, my problem is the next couple of weeks I'm very busy, so I would ask into October if that's possible.
Okay, so I'll give you the first date in October. What do we have?
Your Honor, I think that he needs to just have the depositions coordinated. We can get that done this week, but they probably won't be set until October. That's the date I'm giving out now.
Okay, well, you can work with him on coordinating. I think I'll set the calendar call the first week of October.
October 7th.
October 7th. Hopefully you guys can coordinate at least the dates for the depots with that, Mr. Dutko, okay, with Ms. Blackman. And I'll note that Speedy was waived for the record. Anything further on this case?
If I can just relay the offer on the record, I am going to send Mr. Dutko an email.
Okay.
It's,
Very well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Hold on, she's, Ms. Blackman is stating the offer on the record.
It's a withhold 12 months probation, 29 weeks adult intervention program, a mental health evaluation, and any recommended follow-up treatment. No victim contact except as it relates to the care and custody of the minor children via the Talking Parent app. Court costs and $50 cost of prosecution.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Blackman. Mr. Barry, that's the state's offer on your case. Okay, just discuss it with Mr. Dutko. And I know he wants to take depositions. He's asked for more time. Are you okay with all that, sir? Okay, you're muted, but I see you shaking your head. Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you both. Mr. Dutko, good luck with your appointment. And Mr. Barry, do you have any other questions?
I do not at this time, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll see you back on October 7th, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day, both of you. Okay, who do I have? Paul Maziel for Evans Bellevue.
Good morning, Your Honor. Paul Bass on behalf of Evans Bellevue. I understand we had planned to accept a plea this morning. I learned last night that my client has actually moved